knocking on the door of the end zone. Myler takes a snap, three-man rush, twist up front. Myler wrapped around, throws to the end zone. Does TJ Davis have it? I thought he did. Touchdown, Green Bay! TJ Davis over the wall. Half. Croft sends the receiver in forward motion, takes a snap, four-man rush. Croft looking downfield, passes, intercepted! Gervin Hall with the interception. Rudd had him beat, but Croft threw it behind him. Ware and McShane to the left. VC and Rudd to the right. Handoff, VC up the left side. He's going to walk in with a hit. Is he in? He is. Touchdown, Quad City Steamwheelers. Motion. Takes a snap. Rolls around, looking downfield. He's got Patron, but it is off the hands and into the hands of Patron. Off the hands of Harris, into Patron's for 6. Receivers in forward motion. Empty backfield, four-man rush. Croft downfield, pass is intercepted. Isaiah Jacobs the other way, tripped up inside the 15. Bay. 3 receivers to the left. Snap to Myler, three-man rush. He's going to take it and run. Myler has the blockers, hurdles. Is he got the end zone? He does! Max Myler! Right. Davis and Williams in forward motion. Handoff, Davis up the right side. He's got blockers. Davis stiff arming. Does he have the end zone? He is in. Come through big here off the bench. Neal takes a snap, looking downfield, pass caught. Jordan Feasey wide open, touchdown Quad City. And Daquan Neal, not much of an effort needed there.
Not so hot today.
Handoff, Clark looking for the end zone. He's got it. Touchdown Green Bay. Third down about 1.5. Myler hands off to Clark up the middle, racing and breaking tackles. Clark still on his feet, rumbling, bumbling, stumbling, touchdown Green Bay!
At wide out.
Croft takes the handoff, takes it, he's got a hole, he's got the end zone, touchdown Quad City. Quad City, undefeated, no longer the Blizzard, moved to 4-3 and dropped the Wheelers to 6-1, their first loss of the 2025 campaign.